help you? Entire SAPCO team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Patrick Tatapia with First Officer Christian Kinagman. Together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making SAPCO a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to fly to you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with SAPCO.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
For sanitation purposes, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter or trash is left behind the aircraft. Pinakikiusapan po namin aming mga panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais yung itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang dalahin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. And for our guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and please be reminded that an authorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. At para po sa mga panauhin na nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong katulad ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa ng eroplano. And as a last safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand to get your bags from the overhead bins. Mangyari po lamang hintayin mawala ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po na